Hello, in front of me I've got PS5 Slim. In this video I'll show you how to remove side plates of your console. In the beginning, make sure that your console is facing backwards to you. Now, to remove side plates, you have to gently pull the backwards of the console, and it's done. The same thing for the second plate. And also the same for the other side of the console. And that's how console looks like without the plates. If you want to reassemble it, make sure to fit those hooks to those holes right here and gently push from the outside. Now the second part. And now the second side. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.